Court-approved, all 21 New Jersey counties. New Jersey Anger Management Group. Private, in-person anger management by appointment only. 121 Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 201-205-3201. Bilingual English and Spanish, same-day enrollment, fast court documentation. Who we are. About NJAMG. New Jersey Anger Management Group, NJAMG, was founded in 2012, originally as Jersey City Anger Management, and has since grown into one of the most trusted, comprehensive anger management providers serving all 21 counties of New Jersey. Our director, Santo V. Artusa Jr. Iescu, is a Rutgers School of Law graduate, 2009, former New Jersey public defender, and seasoned litigator who brings both clinical expertise and deep courtroom experience to every aspect of this program. Over the past 12-plus years, NJAMG has served more than 2,500 clients, from individuals referred by municipal courts, family court and superior court, to executives, medical professionals, and people who recognize the value of working proactively on their emotional health before a judge orders them to do so. NJAMG is fully court-approved across all 21 New Jersey counties and all 15 judicial vicinages. Our letters of completion, progress reports, and compliance documentation are recognized and accepted statewide, including by the Hudson County, Bergen County, Essex County, Middlesex County, Union County, and Passaic County court systems. Our program is built on evidence-based clinical models, including rational emotive behavior therapy, REBT, and cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and is delivered exclusively through private, one-on-one sessions. We do not use group formats. Every session is tailored entirely to the individual participant. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121, Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. In-person sessions by appointment only. Jersey City location. Why private one-on-one matters. Our location and how it works. 121 Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 07302, located in the heart of downtown Jersey City, steps from Journal Square and easily accessible from the PATH train, NJ transit buses, and major Hudson County roadways. All sessions are conducted in person, by appointment only. We do not operate walk-in hours. This appointment-based model ensures that every client receives the director's full, undivided attention from the moment they arrive. Hybrid availability. Clients who are unable to attend in person due to distance, disability, or scheduling constraints may attend via live Zoom video session, which carries the same clinical weight and court acceptance as in-person attendance. Same-day enrollment is available. Call 201-205-3201 in the morning and you can begin your first session that same afternoon. No waiting lists, no bureaucratic delays. NJAMG never uses group sessions. In a group setting, participants are forced to share personal information with strangers, progress at a pace set by the group, and compete for instructor attention. None of that is conducive to real change. Private sessions mean the entire hour belongs to you. The facilitator focuses exclusively on your specific triggers, thought patterns, relationships, and goals. The program adapts to your life, not the other way around. Confidentiality is absolute in a private setting. Sensitive personal disclosures about your relationships, legal situation, past trauma, or workplace dynamics stay between you and your facilitator, period. Clients consistently report faster progress and higher satisfaction in private sessions. Judges and attorneys note that private graduates demonstrate more individualized growth in their documentation. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121, Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. Proactive enrollment. The most powerful move you can make. Start before a judge orders it. When a defendant charged with a domestic violence offense, simple assault, harassment, or related charge enrolls in a court-approved anger management program before their case is resolved, They are sending a clear and powerful message to the court. I take responsibility, and I am already doing something about it. New Jersey prosecutors, municipal court judges, and superior court judges consistently view proactive anger management enrollment as a significant mitigating factor. It demonstrates initiative, good faith, and an understanding of the seriousness of the charges. All factors that influence charging decisions, plea offers, and sentencing recommendations. In PTI, pretrial intervention, conditional dismissal, and diversion program applications, proactive enrollment can be the difference between acceptance and rejection. Program administrators and prosecutors who review PTI applications routinely cite voluntary anger management as evidence that a defendant is a good candidate for diversion. In family court and child custody matters, proactive enrollment carries tremendous weight. A parent who has voluntarily begun anger management before being ordered to do so is viewed very differently than one who must be compelled by a court order. Judges, law guardians, and DCPP workers all notice and document the difference. Even if no criminal charges have been filed, proactive enrollment following an incident, a restraining order application, a workplace complaint, or a domestic dispute demonstrates accountability in a way that attorneys can present favorably at any stage of the legal process. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121, Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey, 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. How New Jersey courts view anger management completion. New Jersey legal context. Municipal court. Disorderly persons offenses involving anger-related charges, simple assault, harassment, criminal mischief, frequently result in conditional dismissal or reduced sentencing when a defendant presents a letter of completion or active enrollment from a court-approved program like NJAMG. Prosecutors routinely recommend downgraded dispositions for defendants who have completed or are actively completing anger management. Superior Court, in third and fourth degree indictable matters that involve anger as a precipitating factor, judges consider voluntary anger management at sentencing. Probationary sentences with anger management completion as a condition are a common alternative to custodial sentences when proactive enrollment is documented in the record. Family Court and DCPP, the Division of Child Protection and Permanency, DCPP, regularly references anger management completion in case plans. A parent who has completed a structured, court-approved anger management program gains a measurable advantage in reunification proceedings, custody modifications, and removal of restraining orders. Professional licensing boards, New Jersey attorneys, physicians, nurses, teachers, and other licensed professionals facing disciplinary proceedings that involve anger-related incidents can present NJAMG completion as evidence of remediation to the appropriate licensing board, the New Jersey Supreme Court's Disciplinary Review Board, the State Board of Medical Examiners, the State Board of Nursing, and others. Employers and HR departments. Employer-mandated anger management is increasingly common following workplace incidents. NJAMG's prompt, private, documented program allows employees to satisfy employer requirements quickly and discreetly, often preserving employment that might otherwise be terminated. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121, Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey, 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. Our evidence-based curriculum, what you'll learn, cognitive and emotional skills, behavioral and communication tools, life application and legal wellness, understanding the neuroscience of anger, how the amygdala hijacks rational thought and what you can do about it at the biological level. The ABC and ABCD models from Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy, REBT identifying the activating event, the belief driving your response, and the consequence, then learning to dispute irrational beliefs and replace them with effective new thinking. Identifying cognitive distortions, all-or-nothing thinking, mind reading, catastrophizing, personalization, that amplify anger beyond what situations actually warrant. Practical de-escalation strategies. The stop technique, strategic timeouts, physiological cooling methods, and the 24-hour rule for written communication. Assertive communication, expressing needs, frustration, and disagreement in ways that preserve relationships and legal standing without resorting to aggression, threats, or harassment. Trigger mapping and relapse prevention. Building a personalized plan that identifies your highest risk situations and equips you with pre-planned responses before those situations arise. Applying anger management principles to your specific context. Domestic relationships, co-parenting conflicts, workplace dynamics, interactions with law enforcement and authority figures, and stress-heavy environments. Understanding the legal landscape, how NJ courts, prosecutors, DCPP, and licensing boards evaluate anger management participation, and how to maximize the legal benefit of your enrollment. Building long-term emotional resilience through mindfulness, self-compassion, and a personalized maintenance plan that sustains your progress well beyond the formal program. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121 Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. Who enrolls at NJAM and why? Who we serve. Court-referred individuals. The largest segment of NJAM's enrollment comes through referrals from municipal courts, Superior Court, and Family Court across all 21 New Jersey counties. Common referring charges include simple assault, aggravated assault, harassment, disorderly conduct, domestic violence-related offenses, and violations of restraining orders. Many judges in Hudson, Bergen, Essex, Middlesex, Union, Passaic, and Monmouth counties specifically refer defendants to NJAM by name. Proactive enrollees, a growing and critically important segment of our client base, consists of individuals who enroll before any court order is issued. These are people who have experienced a serious incident, an arrest, a restraining order application, a workplace confrontation, or a significant relationship rupture, and who choose to act immediately rather than wait for a court to compel them. Attorneys frequently advise their clients to enroll with NJAM as soon as possible after an incident, specifically to maximize the legal benefit before the case is resolved. Employer-mandated participants, human resources departments, and employee assistance programs, EAPs, across New Jersey refer employees who have been involved in workplace anger incidents. NJAM's private format protects employee dignity and confidentiality, and our documentation satisfies employer requirements without requiring disclosure of session content. Self-referred individuals. Many NJAM clients come to us entirely on their own initiative. Executives, parents, professionals, and individuals who recognize that their anger patterns are affecting their relationships, careers, or well-being and who want expert private help. No court order is required to enroll. You simply call and schedule. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121 Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. What attorneys tell their clients and why they choose NJAM. Attorney perspective. Criminal defense attorneys across New Jersey routinely advise clients charged with anger-related offenses to enroll in a court-approved anger management program immediately, before their first court date if possible. The reasoning is straightforward. A prosecutor reviewing a case file who sees NJAM enrollment confirmation is looking at a defendant who has already begun taking responsibility. That shifts the narrative of the case from defendant who committed a harmful act to defendant who committed an act and is actively addressing the underlying issue. Family law attorneys, in particular, have become some of NJAM's most consistent referral sources. In highly contested custody matters, one parent's voluntary enrollment in anger management, especially prior to any court order, creates a meaningful and documentable distinction between the parties. Judges in family court notice, law guardians for the children notice, and the record reflects it. NJAM provides attorneys with exactly the documentation they need: prompt letter of enrollment, regular progress updates upon request, and a final letter of completion that clearly states the participant's attendance, engagement, and program compliance. Our documentation is accepted by courts, DCPP, licensing boards, and employers statewide without objection. Our director's legal background, as a former public defender and litigator, means NJAM understands precisely what courts and attorneys need from an anger management provider. We communicate in legal language, meet legal deadlines, and understand the practical stakes of every case we support. Attorneys who refer clients to NJAM receive consistent, professional communication. We return calls promptly, provide documentation on time, and operate with the same level of professionalism that attorneys expect from expert witnesses and other legal service providers. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121 Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. What sets NJAM apart from every other program in New Jersey? Why NJAM? No groups. Ever. Legal background you can trust. Every single session at NJAM is private and one-on-one. We will never place you in a group with strangers. Your confidentiality, your dignity, and your progress are protected at every step. This is the single most important structural difference between NJAM and most other programs, which rely heavily on group formats to maximize throughput. Our director is not simply a therapist with a certificate. Santo V. Artusa Jr., ESQ, is a licensed New Jersey attorney, Rutgers law graduate, and former public defender. He has stood in courtrooms across New Jersey on behalf of clients. He understands what judges want to see, what prosecutors value, and how to document your progress in a way that maximizes its legal impact. Bilingual, English and Spanish. Same-day enrollment, fast documentation. NJAM is one of the only court-approved anger management programs in New Jersey that provides genuinely bilingual services, in English and Spanish, with the same clinical quality in both languages. We serve Hudson County's large Spanish-speaking population, as well as communities across Bergen, Passaic, Essex, and Union counties where Spanish is the primary language for many residents. Time matters in legal cases. NJAM offers same-day enrollment. Call in the morning. Start your first session the same day. Letters of enrollment are issued immediately. Progress documentation is provided promptly. Completion letters are delivered on schedule. We understand that court deadlines are real, and we treat them accordingly. New Jersey Anger Management Group, 121 Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey 201-205-3201, www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. Ready to take the first step? Whether you are facing a court date, recently involved in an incident, referred by an attorney, or simply ready to take control of your anger on your own terms, NJAM is ready to help you today. Not next week. Today. Every hour you wait is an hour you are not building the record of accountability that courts, employers, and licensing boards will notice. Every session you complete is a concrete, documentable step toward a better outcome. In your case, in your relationships, and in your life. Call us now. Same-day enrollment is available. Your first session can begin today. 201-205-320-1121, Newark Avenue, Suite 301, Jersey City, New Jersey. www.newjerseyangermanagementgroup.com. jangermed@pm.me. Court approved. All 21 New Jersey counties. Private 1. On 1, English and Spanish, same-day enrollment.